I am Titilayo, Head of Product Marketing at Bujeti. In this video, I'll show you how to issue a Bujeti card, whether virtual or physical. Assign it to your team member with full control and real-time tracking. Let's go.
From your dashboard, navigate to the menu bar and go to the card section. Click on Create a Card. Next, choose the type of card you want to create. A physical card, which works just like a regular ATM card. A multi-use virtual card, which is ideal for online transaction. Or a one-time virtual card. This is perfect for single-use payment like subscriptions or vendors trials. Once you've made your selection, fill in the card details. Card name. Give the card a unique name so you can easily identify it later. Select a source. Choose the department, wallet, or budget the card should be linked to. Enter an amount. Select a card owner. You can assign the card to a team member. If they have not been added to Bujeti yet, you can invite them directly from the screen. You can also use advanced settings to add more control. Choose whether the card should be used for online or contactless transaction or both type of transaction. Apply your company's spending limits to the card. Assign a category so every transaction from the card is automatically grouped under the right bucket. Select merchant or location restriction so the card can only be used at approved vendors or place. Once you are done, click Create Card. If this is your first card, you will be asked to verify your BVN or upload a passport to complete the setup. Once verified, your card will be processed and ready for use. Thank you.
We've just issued a Bujeti card with full visibility and built-in control. Now go ahead, issue more cards, set spending limit and assign it to your team members.